On the Fiat, we might need that to pull that after the nut comes off. Damn, Wick, that was smooth. That worked well.
This one has long since not been threaded.
Oh, so we get to play rethread fun time later?
Yeah, there's like no sign of threads on that thing.
Oh, shit. Scotty, are you alive?
Yes.
Chris, would you like to work on this?
As long as I don't get dirty. Shut up. Yeah,
I gave you that. Really, bitch? Look.
Scotty, what are you looking for?
Socket. Top drawer. Hey, pull. Gentle.
I can be
Gentle.
I can be gentle.
That's not what I've heard. I heard you're quite vicious.
I can be. I'm
Oh,
typically...
girl.
Come on, baby. See?
There it is.
See? I know what I'm doing. I didn't bend a thing. Thank God. 'Cause
Okay.
good luck finding one of these.
I know, because Scotty gets to polish this later, because he is the polishing machine.
See the polisher?
Oh my God.
Yeah,
You won't
Scotty's
believe what he does.
polishing skills are incredible.
His
this go over there?
skills just go on.
Yes, you can set that over here.
Scotty's got hand skills.
Scotty's the polishing. Hi.
Quietly.
Chris, look, Chris did work. So now we gotta pull over the glass, right?
Oh God.
We don't have everyone here.
I know.
All right, let's.
Gang, herding cats. Herding cats.
Camera.
You're gonna cameraman?
Yeah, because if you're doing the work.
Oh, I'm not doing the work. I'm
Yeah.
bossing people around.
Looks like you are.
Wait, we still have to just connect.
That
this
one's
to-
coming.
Yeah.
Okay, so carefully. Oh, girl.
Do we need a?
No, we can
Oh,
work
that's
it.
just
Could there be a blanket on the hood?
No, we're not gonna
No,
launch it.
because we have a blanket right here.
Scotty, do you want us to pause a second and you handle
Yeah,
that
we
nut?
probably should do the nut.
Is it smaller?
So we'll put the glass on this.
Should I pause?
No, you're good. Keep
Okay.
rolling.
Thank you.
I was waiting for action.
Oh no, action's been actioning for a while.
No,
So you
we're
need a-
definitely going to have to get...
Yeah, you need a
Teenier.
thinner wall thing.
Well,
Yeah, we don't have it, so we're going to have to use pliers of some sort.
Okay, well while we're hunting for that, oh girl, get it from
girl.
behind.
Oh, I see. We just give
Wait a damn minute here.
Oh,
It
that
should
was
just
easy.
pop right out.
Hey Allie, you know how when you drove this home and it was leaking everywhere?
Yeah.
Gee, I wonder why.
Exactly.
It took a lot to take that out. I guess we
Right.
didn't need the little. What is this?
We didn't need the things.
Are we reusing the rubber or?
We have new.
Hey Wick, look, there's glass already.
Oh, without even taking, I did take the front out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chris did that in 8 seconds. Scotty?
Set everything in on a corner, you pull the rope around it, and it pulls the rubber in.
Ooh, demonstration.
This is not kindergarten. The rubber always goes on first.
That's no
Maybe
fun.
that's why I got kids.
That concept's a little lost in this group.
Sorry, Bobby.
Well, it just reminded me of a
Soak
shirt
the
I saw.
rubber in.
Okay.
Does he water or anything? Do you want it dry?
Wick has rubber grease.
Rubber grease.
Red rubber grease.
A little vacuum to clean up the dust.
We do need to do that. Peter, would you like to be the cleaning guy?
Clean it.
Because you're the guy with the
Got a
cleaning.
little vacuum.
That's awesome. Woo! Scotty's on it.
Exactly.
Grant's feeling all right.
Yes.
Fine.
We have a vacuum. What do you expect from
Here comes the vacuum.
Well,
You've got a vacuum.
we
So
learned
we
from
have
Bobby.
some power
If you
right
love it, move it.
here.
Yes.
These little are these the sprayers?
See?
They're
Yes.
wildly.
I was talking to my girlfriend Jeff the
If
other
you
day.
can wipe down your edge all the way through.
I will wipe the edge.
I just cut them.
Yeah.
I wish my hair was. Oh, I wish my hair was fast. I got a vacuum.
All right.
Oh, yeah, please.
Peter,
You don't have a full
Where's the little?
vacuum, my friend.
Yeah, the one with the little.
It's so nice. It's in pretty good shape.
Maybe a rag to clean out this.
Yeah.
Give me like a little rag.
Here you go. All right.
Take a wet rag, maybe.
Can we have a wet rag, anybody?
Can't get that in.
Wet rag.
Pulled out. You know, so. So funny. All right. Here's the glass cleaner.
Peter the cleaner.
Do you want this?
What is that?
Eye wash.
Safety first.
Oh, God.
I just had to.
Come here. You need to shoot something in your eye.
Wait a
We're not doing that. I have eyes.
Not with everybody around.
Hey, you wanted me to jerk off in front of the camera.
No, so. Well, might hide some of it.
It was a short film.
What can I say? I did a quick load.
Ah! All right. So let's clean this. Clean up on aisle 5. Scotty, what do you think?
I hate putting a damaged glass back in, but
You ain't gonna
like she
find
said,
another
I
one.
mean, until we find another one.
The problem is that our stock supply upstairs, we're flat out of that kind of glass. That's the downside.
We're all out of Fiat Millecento windows.
Well, you can get one professionally cut, but
Right now?
not right this minute. Dude, I'm only so good. Come on, work with me.
There we go with this.
All right, clean it up. Scotty, let's clean.
Okay, so now it's wax on, wax off. Before it was jerk on, jerk off.
Mr. Miyagi wax off. Scotty, I'm videoing you polishing glass.
Go figure. Last time it was polishing knobs.
Every week you gotta polish something. Jesus. Look at that.
I'll try to drive this if someone takes